The major fragrance contributor in citrus, too, is this green-petaled orchid species. Its aroma is very similar to the lemon-lime scent found in citrus fruits. This orchid is said to have been extinct in Singapore, but fortunately can be found in countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Do you know that orchid oil infusions carry therapeutic benefits? They can be considered a great alternative for people who have insomnia and anxiety problems. Therefore, to maximize the soothing and calming effects, these therapeutic orchids had been added into citrus too. Have you heard of edible flowers? These orchids can be consumed after treatment. They are known to be used as medicinal tonics, especially in the past, with the function to treat asthma and improve respiratory health. Fragrances, be it soap applications or in food, all serve to enhance the quality of our life. Similarly, scent enhancers are added to boost and liven up the fundamental fragrances to build a fuller and more appealing aroma. One such example is bergamot. This oil has a similar scent to oranges and is added to enhance the citrus fragrance notes contributed by the main orchid. Bergamot oil is effective in fighting infections due to the presence of its antibacterial properties, assisting in the inhibition of potential germ growth. And if skin problems such as acne, scars, blemishes, or pigmentation are affecting you, bergamot oil is a great choice to go for, helping you to even out your skin tone and bring out the more vibrant complexion in you. Pearl-sized red currant berry oil is included in the scent to give a unique, crisp, and tart finish to the fragrance. Studies have shown that it contains chemical compounds that prevent skin aging, wrinkles, and also help to reduce swelling. To all major citrus lovers out there, this oil is solely created for you. Kindly note, the scent notes, particularly orchid scent notes, sometimes change due to soil, temperature, and other variations.